Sarah, and I am a legal assistant with Hello Divorce. Today, I'm going to walk you through just how easy it can be to prepare your divorce paperwork in Colorado using Hello Divorce. Ready? Let's get started. First, head on over to hellodivorce.com. Once you've signed up for an account, click the My Account tab and then find the Divorce Navigator. Our Colorado Divorce Navigator breaks down the divorce paperwork into 3 easy steps. Today, we'll be doing step 1, the petition. Go ahead and click on step 1. I've chosen to do a joint petition today. This just means that you and your spouse will both sign the initial divorce paperwork. Once the Divorce Navigator opens, you will be prompted to answer a series of questions. This information is then used to automatically generate your divorce forms. At Hello Divorce, we've taken the guesswork out of preparing your divorce paperwork. We break the information down into a simple-to-follow interview. If you have questions along the way, click the yellow question marks and a dialog box will open, giving you more detail about a specific information prompt. Or you can check out our huge library of resources. We also have legal assistants on standby to answer any procedural questions for most memberships, or you can schedule a legal coaching session with one of our Colorado attorneys. Okay, let's go ahead and complete step 1. Now that you've answered all the questions, you have an opportunity to review and change any answers. Everything look good? Great! Click Continue. You now have your Step 1 forms. You can choose to download them in PDF or Word, or you can have them emailed directly to you. Either way, your forms are ready to sign. If you have purchased a membership that includes help from our divorce experts, click on the Divorce Navigator where prompted to let us know your forms are done. That's it. So easy. Check out our pricing page to review our membership options, or click here to schedule your free divorce strategy session to see how Hello Divorce can help you with your Colorado divorce. Thanks for watching.